That was a big one.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, it's a brown one. And I don't know if that's another baby sock or if that's just the afterbirth.
Give it a feel, Kate. Give it a feel.
Well, I don't know.
I mean, is it like hard? Or?
I don't know. I think I might see another foot.
Yeah?
Except this might be this one's foot.
Okay.
It is. Oh yeah, I think it's this one's foot.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Because that could just be the afterbirth. They're either brother or sister. And I can't tell yet. Can't tell yet. Oh, it's pretty. It's a chocolatey one with
Oh, I love that.
It's got a black stripe.
No, we don't have that one yet.
I like the chocolate. Good job, Skittles.
Yeah, that baby is all
Okay.
You
So
have
this
another
one was at 6:35.
6:35 a.m. Saturday morning.
Oh yes.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Put it upside down.
Well, it's still kind of attached. Upside down. Come on. Breathe. This one's a boy. This might be Carol Ann's goat.
No, but I love that one.
I know we love them all.